Hello friends, these days we are learning fractions and you know the number between 0 and 1 are called fractions and there are different ways to describe fractions. Today we are going to learn an other way which is called decimals. So decimals is a system of numbers in which denominator of all the fractions is 10 or a power of 10. For example, 10, 100, 1000, etc. So fractions in a decimal system look like this. See, it's 3 divided by 10. Just for example, I have taken 3. So 3 divided by 100, 3 divided by 1000, and so on. And you note that the denominator is 10 or a power of 10, I mean 100, 1000, or the figure like that. Another example, 2 divided by 10, 2 divided by 100, 2 divided by 1000, and so on. Okay, so you noted that the numerator could be any number. I took two examples, but it could be any number from 1 to infinite, but denominator must always be 10 or a power of 10. So in the denominator, there is always one digit on the left side, that is 1, and on the right all the digits are zeros. It's 10 or 100 or 1000, 10,000, or figure like this. So when the denominator of a fraction is 10 or a power of 10, so what we do, we can replace that denominator by putting a dot in the numerator. We count from left the number of digits equal to the number of zeros in the denominator, and we simply remove the denominator, and that the answer, the resulting figure is in decimal format, and that dot is called a decimal. Yeah, I will show you how it works, how we describe fractions in decimal format. We take one example. On the left you can see it's 3 divided by 10, a normal fraction we have already learned, but we can easily change it into decimal format. So what we do, we see there is 1 0 in the denominator is 10, so we can simply eliminate 10 by putting a dot to the left of numerator. There was only 1 0, so we put dot after one digit from right. So we put one dot next to 3 and simply eliminated 3, the 10 from the 3 divided by 10. So the new fraction is 0.3 or 0.3 if you call it. Next, another example, I have simply changed the denominator. Instead of 10, the denominator is 100 now. So we can simply write it into a decimal format by putting a dot next to two digits in the numerator. Because there were two zeros in the denominator, we counted from right, 3, put another 0 to make it 2, and put a dot. So this is the new format. Uh, okay, if we take another example, so what happens is the denominator is getting bigger. No, it's 1000. So we can simply easily change this fraction into the decimal format by putting a dot, but we need 3 digits in numerator. There was only 1 there. We put 2 zeros to make it 3, counted from right to left, and made it 3. You see, 1, 2, and 3. Because there were 3 zeros in denominator, so we put decimal point after 3 digits. So this is the new format, new fraction 0.003, which is equal to 3 divided by 1000. Okay, if I change a little bit the example, you can see 2 divided by 10 is equal to 0.2. 2 divided by 100 is equal to 0.02. 2 divided by 1000 is equal to 0.002. Okay, I have changed a bit this example. Now the denominator is 2 digits, otherwise it's same. 33 divided by 10. So what we do, we eliminate 10 by putting a dot, counting from right to left. We put digit after, we put decimal after one digit from right. So this is one digit and the dot there, and 10 is gone. The new number is 3.3. Okay, another number 213 divided by 100. We want to change this fraction into decimal format. We eliminated 100 by putting this decimal there. Okay, another example, even bigger number, even bigger denominator. So the simple rule, we eliminate 1000 and count the digits from right to left equal to the number of zeros. So zeros are 3, 1, 2, 3 zeros. So in this number we counted 1, 2, 3 from right to left, 3 digits, and then put a dot. So that's the simple way, easy way to change the fraction into decimal format. Okay, so please practice it and good luck and thank you for watching.